Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Were you looking for me? Here I am. So my name is Juliana Amoateng. If you are seeing me for the first time, I'm so excited to have you here. Over here I do beauty, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, nail tutorials. I'm not a professional, so I don't come up as a professional, but I tell you and show you what I do and what has worked for me. And today I'm going to be trying to do this particular hairstyle as you saw in the thumbnail. I think I killed it. What do you think? But the hair extensions I'm going to be using is these extensions that I have in my hand. They came in plain packs actually. I bought these passion hair. I actually purchased these ones, and then the woman, she's so kind and she decided to add these real and say, oh, wand curls, So if you are looking for extensions to buy, I will recommend PG Hair page to you. These are the wand curls I'm going to be using. This is black. I wish I got all black, but I got it in two different colors. I think that those were her last set of extensions for the one curl she had. So she just gifted it to me. These were gifted. So nice. So I'm going to, for the Bantu Knots, I'm going to be using this one. So you're going to see how I'm going to do all that. So these are the extensions I'm going to use. So I'm just going to mix the colors so that they come out just as I am envisioning in my hair. So to start with, see the way my hair has shrinked. Yesterday I unbraided my hair and my hair was actually like this. And as soon as I washed my hair, it has rained. And it's looking like I have never braided my hair before. This is not my hair. Anyway, it has grown so much and I've been using this solution. This is Chebe infused water. I have a video on my page if you want to have a look. I've linked it right at the top here. It's a maintenance video I did and I incorporated that routine inside. So probably I'm going to have a separate routine for this Chebe infused water. So I use it to moisturize my hair about 2 to 3 days all the time. It's very good for hair growth though. And it also makes my hair very soft so that I'm able to comb it. After spraying my hair with the Chebe infused water, I just try to give my hair some massage to allow blood to circulate in my scalp to enhance hair growth as well. Guys, I have rehearsals. I need to leave the house at 2:30 and it's currently 1:33. So I have like an hour to finish with this particular hairstyle. I'm not sure if I can finish. I don't think I can finish, but I'll try. And then when I come back, I'll continue. So now that my hair is totally combed, I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear so that I can have cornrows at the back and I'll do the bantu at the front. I also use Chebe Pata and Kuza hair cream to moisturize my hair. So this is my basic hair cream that I use. And because I'm going to put the back into cornrows, I'm going to apply the cream into my back and then I'll start sectioning my hair for the cornrows. And if you have short hair like mine and coarse hair like mine, you need a big tail comb like this when you are doing like rough patterns. So the sections like shouldn't really be completely neat because you're going to do the crocheting anyway and you don't have to necessarily have clean patterns. But if you can achieve clean patterns, good for you. I'm happy for you, So if you don't know how to learn cornrows as well, I have a video on my YouTube shorts and then also on my TikTok. You can check them out. I'll link them in my description. Like I'm saying, I'm just trying to do some cornrows at the back and that is exactly what I'm doing. Over here, I'm using rubber bands to tie the ends because my hair is short and I'm not able to put them together into cornrow at the back. So I'm just using the bands to secure them together so that they stay put until like whenever I remove the hair. Guys, I'm just coming back from rehearsals and I have to continue. Okay, so I sent this to rehearsals. So. I've slept and relaxed a bit, but I need to travel and I can't go like this. Okay, so I'm going to start with the crocheting. I'm going to like interchange them. So when I use one strand, then I'll use one strand. So it will follow like that. And per the rules of this hairstyle, I'm going to be using this crochet pin. And with the crocheting, you see that I didn't start directly from my back, like as in down. I started way above the last part or the down part, and because the hair is not much, but then because it's bouncy, at the end of the day it's going to come out very, very bouncy and full. So that's why I started from that part. And you can see that I'm trying to use my finger to measure where I have to like put the crochet hair next. Okay, and like I mentioned from the beginning, when I fetch a brown hair or strand, then I fetch a black strand so that they become a very good mixture at the end of the day. With a crocheting skill, you just insert the crochet pin into your cornrow, and then you attach the hair onto the loop of the cornrow and make a knot. Okay, over here I'm just making one knot because I don't intend for this hair to last long. I'm just going to keep it for about a week. If you're going to keep for a long time, just make sure that you are making 2 knots, and I've done it so many times on this channel. Please do check out my other hairstyles, my crochet hairstyles, to get the 2 knot method, but in this video I'm just doing 1 method. So I'm going to complete the whole thing until I do the full set as my back. So after completion, this is how the back is looking like. You can tell it is so full. I've used the whole 2 parts except like 2 strands, and this is how it is looking like. Now to the front, I'm going to be using the Jocelyn Glazy jam to do the front, and I'm just trying to put it into like triangle sections, and I'm making a first triangle at my front by parting it side by side, and then I'm trying to also do it to my other side. So I plan to have about 5 different sections of triangles at the front part of my hair, and that is what I'm doing, so do watch carefully. Yep, so you can totally see 5 different sections of triangles at my front, and I use rubber band to just secure them. Now to lay my hair, I'm going to use the gel to clean up the parts, and I'm using the small tail comb to do the cleanup. And with the cleanup, you can, some people don't prefer hair gel in their hair, but this particular hairstyle demands hair gel. So if you don't like hair gel, well, it is going to come out nice, but I bet it's going to lay as, it's not going to lay as you like you would see in this video. And with the hair gel application, I'm applying it into smaller sections of each triangle so that it really comes out as I want, like it comes out as sleek as I want. If you can actually apply the gel all around and then just put it into rubber band, but well, I don't know for you, but this is how I prefer mine to be so that it lays better for my liking. So after putting everything together, I use a rubber band to secure. I'm using colored rubber bands because I don't have black rubber bands, because at the end of the day I'm going to cover it with the hair and it's not going to show anyway, so that's why I'm using the colored rubber band. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for all the triangles until I exhaust everything. So I'm finally done. This is how everything is looking like, so clean, smooth and sleek. Now to do the Bantu knots, I'm using 3 strands of the spring twist for each triangle, okay, and I'm going to crochet 3 strands of spring twist into each triangle. And with the crocheting, like the crochet method, inserts the hair into the section or the triangle and then pull the spring twist inside so that it becomes equal. And then I'm going to open up the spring twist so that it becomes very, very rough and open. I don't want the spring twist to just muffle in there. So after opening them up, I just try to twist it around to be something like this, and then I'm going to make the Bantu knot. Now people say that Bantu knot is very, very painful, but the trick is
when you are making the knot, you don't have to tighten it. I am doing it on myself, so there's no way I'm going to inflict pain on myself. If you're going to have a hairstylist do it for you, make sure that the person is not tightening your scalp. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of tension on your scalp and you're going to remove it after a day or like maybe 3 hours. So please do not tighten your scalp. Make sure that you are loosening it as much as possible, but also at the same time making it secured. You get it? So this is our first Bantu knot. I'm going to do the same thing for the other ones. I was so happy when I achieved that. So again, I'm going to use 3 different strands of spring twist, and then I'm crocheting it at the triangle of the section I have, and then I pull through to make them equal. Then I open up the spring twist to make them rough, and then I start twisting it around and making the knot for the section that I have made, or the section that I am working on. And again, do not tighten the knot, otherwise you are going to have a lot of tension on your scalp, baby. So I'm going to do the same thing for the others till I am done. One thing also, if you are not very sure about the security of the knot, you can use rubber band to help you and then hold it together like I did for this particular one. So like I mentioned, I left about 2 strands of each color, and I'm just using it to attach my first knot. And then like I think I loved how it looked like. It was just something creative that came into mind. It's not part of the style, but it's optional. You don't have to do this. I'm just trying to not waste the hair. I could have actually tagged it at my back, but I just decided to wrap them around the knots like this. And this is how my back is looking like. You can barely see that these are crochet extensions. After all, when you are walking, nobody's going to pull your hair and say, hey, let me look at the back of your hair. So this is how everything is looking like. I'm so happy about this style. Like it's giving everything is supposed to go, baby. It's giving everything is supposed to go. Okay. So I'm going to use this shear scissors to trim the ends. I realized that some were longer than the others. I didn't want to trim much because I wanted the fullness of the hair and the length. So I'm just trying to trim the parts that are too longer than each other. And this is how we are looking, baby girls and boys. I love it. I love everything. Let me know what you think. I used olive oil, the coconut scented, to spray my hair to give it shine and also give me some comfort under my scalp. And basically this is the whole hairstyle, honey. I hope this was very simple. I mean, it took me about, after I came back from rehearsals, it took me about an hour to complete this. It is very, very simple. You don't have to stress. I wore it for about a week. It's not supposed to last long because of the gel at the front. I usually don't allow gel to sit in my hair, especially when it accumulates most parts of my hair like this. Okay, so I hope this helps. I have other hair tutorials you can check out. I have linked it at the end of this video. Please do subscribe and share with your friends and family and loved ones. I love you. Bye.